realizing how incredibly fragile our lives are, realizing how delicate our lives are, realizing how any time our lives could be snuffed away. We need to seek a refuge. We need to seek a refuge, a place of refuge, an object of refuge that is beyond us, and that is a fully enlightened Buddha. A fully enlightened Buddha has no anger, has no jealousy, has no defilements, has zero delusions and projections, and they solely work to benefit others without any expectation or agenda. And that can be only a fully enlightened Buddha, for example, Lama Tsongkhapa. When we take refuge in someone like Lama Tsongkhapa, we are taking refuge on two ways. We are taking refuge in an outer being who inspires us to become like them, Shakyamuni Tsongkhapa, who tells us it's possible, that lets us know it is definitely possible. And that inspires us to take refuge in the inner being, in ourselves. How do we take refuge in ourselves? By not lying. By keeping our samayas clean. By working for others. By generating forgiveness. By having no animosity with an agenda. Like a mother who scolds a child out of pure love. A mother who scolds a child out of pure love is not negative karma, it's pure love. So wrathful means can be employed if we have that kind of motivation. And when we work for others and benefit others, that is refuge in ourselves. Why is that refuge in ourselves? Because we open up something that we all have. Kindness, goodness, clear mind, generosity, forgiveness, patience. We have that in all of us. That's why that generosity, kindness, love is called the Buddha nature.